This mechanism looks simple when you first see it, but there's actually a lot going on behind the motion. It makes 3 small steps forward, locks itself, and then somehow resets back to the beginning without any springs or motors shown in the animation. So I wanted to take that clean concept and build a real, working printed version. The mechanism works in a loop of indexing, locking, and resetting. The driver rotates continuously, and on its edge there's a pin. Every time this pin reaches the driven wheel, it pushes it forward. Each full rotation of the driver advances the driven wheel by 1 step. After each step, the wheel has to stay in place. That's done by this ratchet tooth. It drops into the tooth and locks the wheel. The small weight on the ratchet makes sure it stays engaged using gravity. The driven wheel has 2 pins that interact with the weighted arm. The first pin lifts the ratchet by pushing the weight past the rotation axis. Once the weight crosses over, the ratchet stays lifted for a moment, which releases the driven wheel. When it's unlocked, the wheel resets itself because it's intentionally unbalanced. This hollow section removes material from one side, making the opposite side heavier. So as soon as the ratchet releases it, the wheel naturally rotates back to the starting point under gravity. The second pin then pushes the weight back to the right side, the ratchet tooth drops down again, and the mechanism is ready for the next cycle. So the whole motion is step, step, lift, reset, and lock again, all controlled by one rotating part and a few small masses and pins. If you like these kinds of mechanical breakdowns, let me know. I enjoy making them, and your feedback helps me decide what to explore next.